Affirmations for changing perspectives, nervous system state, and emotions. Each and every moment, I am rejuvenated and renewed, whole, integrated, and operating at the best frequency for the present situation. I am constantly learning and increasing my enlightenment and knowledge. I am living each moment to its highest purpose, in the highest frequency. I quickly move into and maintain ideal functioning in my body and mind, operating at my ideal frequency and energy. The negative experiences of the past are done, and I release them for contained storage in the cloud, my safe container. I have neutralized them all. The people who did the worst things in my life provided the resistance by which I strengthened my resilience, character, and will. I feel love coming into me continuously, whether the person loving me is with me, communicating at that time, or not. The positive story I'm telling myself is, you fill in the blank. I nurture and love my body and mind daily. I expel all suffering and lack and manifest wealth, health, joy, and satisfaction. I release struggle and receive ease. The challenges and adversity experienced in the past can be left behind in a parallel reality, as if it was only a possibility and not a reality I continue to live. I use my imagination to put negative experiences on an alternate timeline in an alternate reality.